Let's fix a big rock chip on the G-Wagon. It's right in the driver's view. See it? We need to drill this one. Let's get it ready. We're drilling in the center of the rock chip to create a cone in a minute. That's what we'll need to do to repair this type of windshield damage. We're almost. Now let's tap that cone in there. Right there, Carl. Now let's grab our windshield repair tool right over the chip area. Get it all ready. And then let's scoot it over on the chip and block the sun with a paper towel. Now let's do some vacuuming and some pressure. And let's get that rock chip filled in. It's coming. It's just about there. Needs a little more vacuum. And now, some pressure. This part of the repair process happens to every single chip. No matter what you got, it has to be vacuumed and pressurized until it's completely full of resin. That way the repair will turn out completely clear and there won't be any more shiny spots in it. This process really only takes a few minutes. We're always doing windshield repairs on the corner, just like this. Come check us out. There's a close-up on vacuum pressure. Notice right now we're vacuuming. And as soon as we push the plunger down, it's pressure. Now we're going to let it sit out in the UV and cure around the sides. That way it'll be nice and pretty around the sides and it won't get any air bubbles. The UV will start setting up all around that plunger. The UV is curing it. All the cracks are going to be bonded back together. It's going to be a beautiful day. And this rock chip is going to be so nice. Now let's take the plunger off and put a piece of tape over the center. Then we're going to wipe off the excess resin that's dripping down and wait for this thing to cure. Meanwhile, let's put up all the tools back into the roller toolbox. Finally, let's spray some Windex on it, scrape it off the tape with a razor blade, clean that excess resin off, and spray some more Windex on it so that we can really get this thing clean. Here, let's wipe that windshield off. Let's put the wiper blade up. That way, we can get everything. The customer seems to be very happy with this repair. It now looks a lot better, and it's going to stop cracking. Thanks for watching.